In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your microphone not working in Google Meet or Hangouts on Windows 10. If you've ever struggled to get your microphone working during an important meeting or class, don't worry, you are not alone. It's a common issue, but thankfully, one that's usually pretty simple to resolve. Let's dive into it, shall we? First, let's start by navigating to the Google Meet website. You'll want to ensure you're in the right place to make sure everything's set up correctly on the platform itself. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, the next step is to click on Sign In, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. It's important to make sure you are signed in with the correct account that you'll be using for your meetings, so you'll be ready to troubleshoot the microphone issue directly within Google Meet. Choose your Google account and enter your login details if prompted. After you've successfully logged in, you will be ready to proceed with checking the relevant settings on your computer. Now let's shift our focus to the Windows side of things. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the Start menu where we can access the necessary system settings. In the search bar, type Sound Mixer Options. This will help us navigate directly to the correct menu where we want to adjust the sound settings. Once there, you will see various settings related to sound on your device, but the simplest solution is to look for an option called Reset towards the bottom of the menu. By clicking Reset, you're essentially restoring all sound settings to their default. This step helps to eliminate any potentially incorrect configurations that might be causing your microphone to malfunction. When you reset the sound settings, any specific adjustments you or an application might have made previously will be cleared out, giving your microphone settings a fresh start. Once you've hit Reset, give your computer a quick restart. This will ensure that all changes are applied correctly and any lingering issues are addressed. Now, head back to Google Meet and do a quick test during a call to verify if your microphone is responsive. If everything went smoothly, your microphone should now be functioning as expected, allowing you to communicate seamlessly in your meetings or Hangouts. And that wraps it up. In just a few steps, you've fixed the microphone problem on Windows 10 for Google Meet or Hangouts. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check other connected devices if the problem persists, as sometimes the issue might be with external hardware. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.